what are your thoughts on sodding with centipede grass on the east side of Chattanooga? What is the best cultivar? I've had centipede where I lived in Clemson, South Carolina, and I loved it. So easy to care for. Thank you. And this is Eric from East Bernard, Tennessee. So I like that. He loved it. So centipede grass, of course, is called the lazy man's grass, right? Because it grows so slow by stolons, right? But as far as sodding in east side of Chattanooga, I think that's possible.
Yeah. Well, and we are in the warmest part of East Tennessee. Chattanooga has a little bit of a microclimate that's even relatively different from where I live in, in Knoxville. But cold hardy still.
So cold hardy, right? Low temperature hardiness, TifBlair.
Yeah.
Okay, that comes to mind. We know a little bit about that, here in the Memphis area. It performs very well, especially in acidic soils. Right, so get your soil tested, of course.
Yeah.
But yeah, go ahead, get TifBlair, and I think you should be fine. Because again, low temperature hardiness, frost tolerance, performs pretty well in acidic soils. We have acidic soils here.
Yeah.
I think you'd be fine.
Yeah.
I think you'd be fine. I would give it a shot.
Yeah, give it a try.
I would give it a shot.
I'm up for anything that reduces a little bit.
Right, yeah, because low maintenance once you get it, established for the most part. And again, it grows so slow, so slow. Keep a lot of the foot traffic off of it, you'll be fine. But yeah, he knows a little bit about it anyway. He grew it in South Carolina.
Yeah, some experience.
So he does have that experience, so that'd be good. So yeah, TifBlair, Mr. Eric, that'll help you out tremendously. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.